Welcome back! In this video, we're going to take a look at the Hyatt Regency O'Hare Chicago. I have stayed at this hotel numerous times before and after flying out of O'Hare. The hotel is conveniently located very nearby the airport. The hotel has two sections, the main one with the lobby, which has this huge interior area. The other is the Premier Tower, which is a more typical rectangular block of rooms. The lobby is large and has these fun central glass elevators. It is certainly a product of its time. Heading to my room now, I was upgraded to the studio suite in the Premier Tower. It's a bit of a walk from the lobby to the Premier Tower, but eventually you get there. So let's check out the studio suite, also known as the Regency Suite apparently. Starting off in the entryway, there's some side tables, and a place to store your luggage and hang up your clothes. The suite is divided by this partial wall. There's a huge TV here with some seating and a sofa bed. The view is not very appealing. Heading over to the bedroom side, there's a single king bed and another TV. I found this bed to be very comfortable. There's some useful features here to the side of the bed with some convenient outlets and USB charging. They have this wireless charger alarm clock combo that actually still worked. Note the mysterious handprint stains on this brown chair. I don't want to know how they got there and why they haven't been cleaned. Heading to the bathroom, it's quite large, and apparently this is the ADA accessible version of the suite, so there's no barriers to the shower and plenty of handrails. Odds are, if you're staying at this hotel, you're either here for a conference or the airport. While I haven't had a conference here before, I have used the airport shuttle many times, and I found it to be convenient and reliable. It runs 24 hours a day, and there's an online tracker too, so you can see where the shuttles are. It's located a level down from the main lobby through these revolving doors. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this hotel. The pros side, it's close to the airport, there's a convenient shuttle back and forth, and rooms here are usually reasonably priced. On the cons side of things, it's dated and a bit depressing in my opinion. I've experienced some cleanliness issues. Overall, if you need a place to crash before or after a flight out of O'Hare, this is a pretty good option to consider, especially if the price is right. However, I wouldn't go out of my way to stay here any longer than needed. Thanks for watching!